Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you to design another awesome animated slideshow by using PowerPoint. Before that, please subscribe my channel, and click the bell icon to get more tutorials. Let's jump to the video. Open empty slide and remove unwanted elements. Insert few images which you are going to present in your slideshow. I am selecting 5 images. Zoom out your main slide. Take one image and adjust the width and height as in the video, and place it middle of the main slide. Then take another image and adjust the size same as the first image. Do the same thing for other images also. All the images width and height should be same. Now place all images like an array. Gap between the images should be same. Select all images and group them. Take last image onto the main slide. Insert tab and select oval shape. Draw a circle on top of the image like in the video. Duplicate the oval and place it bottom of the image as well. Change its color into white. Remove the lines also. Place topic on the slide. And also place the description. Now duplicate the slide. Drag the second image onto the main slide as in the video. Do the same process until the last image. Finally select the all slides and add morph transition. You can see this awesome output. Thanks for watching my video.